Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand a very interesting topic which is the hierarchy of TestNG XML file. The topic is very important if you are new to TestNG and if you are also having experience and still facing issue while answering the questions of TestNG. Please watch this video till the end. So let's create a TestNG XML file. So let's go step by step. First, we will understand the suit tag, so we can define the suit tag as you are looking to this diagram. A suit tag means that it is similar to like a project. So you can write the suit tag displayed in the diagram. This is the way to define the suit tag inside the XML file. But I have a question here. Can we define more than one suit tag in a single TestNG XML file? So the answer is no. Only one suit tag is allowed in a TestNG XML file. Now let's go further to understand more about the TestNG tags apart from suit tag. Let's understand the next tag, which is called as test tag. The test tag comes inside the suit tag, where you can define the test name as equal to the test 1 here, which is I have explained in this diagram. Now I am having another question. Can a suit tag have more than one test tags? So the answer is yes. The suit tag can have more than one test tags. So a TestNG XML file can contain one or more test tags. So till now we understand how the suit tag and test tags are present in the XML file. Let's go further to understand how the XML file looks with the classes tag. Classes tag is present inside the test tag. You can define the class name inside the classes tag, where you can define the class name which you would like to run. So if you look to this diagram, in this diagram suit name is equals to suit and you have defined multiple test tags. In that test tags we have defined the classes, and in this classes we have defined the class name smoke test. So what it will do, it will just go to this smoke test class and run the test cases inside this smoke test class, and then it go to the regression test class and it would run the test cases of regression test class. Let's see another example of a TestNG XML file with the packages. In the last slide, we discussed how the classes are present inside the test tag. As you know, in a Java project, a package can have multiple classes. So if you would like to run your entire package with the TestNG XML file, you can just write down the package name inside the packages tag, which you are looking to this diagram. And if you want to run an individual class, you can just write that with a class name which we discussed in the last slide, this slide which I just opened. And if you would like to run the packages, you can write like this. Okay. Till now we saw the TestNG XML file with the classes and packages. Now let's go to another example where I defined how we can define the specific method which we would like to test or put it as an exception. You can just look to this diagram where I have explained how we can write down the methods which you would like to include or exclude. If you included the method, it means that it would run that test case specifically. But if you excluded the method, it means it would run the entire class apart from that method. Here one method is represented to one test case. So we discussed that in a single TestNG XML file, we can have only one suit tag, but it can have multiple test tags. Now I have a question. Can a test tag have multiple classes? So the answer is that classes can be multiple, but here the classes word represent to the class tags, not classes tags. So you can have more than one class tags inside the TestNG XML file, but you cannot have more than one classes tags inside the TestNG XML file. Now the same case is with the packages, which is similar to the classes tags, that you can define multiple package names, but the package represent here to the package tag, not packages. You cannot define more than one packages in the TestNG XML file. So what we learned today? We learned that in a TestNG XML file, there can be only one single suit tag. You cannot define more than one suit tag inside the XML file. A suit tag can have multiple tests here. A test can have multiple classes and packages, but here I am talking about class and package tag, not classes and packages tag. A test can have either a single classes or a packages tag in a test tag. You cannot add both the things, classes or packages, inside a test tag. So that's all from my end today. Thank you everyone.